gift. I'm putting all the stuff in the fridge that my baby sister Isa gave me. So let's first set up the chairs. Ooh, there are already lots of yummy food. Let's put some on the table and some in. That's yummy. Some spaghetti. Let's put some donuts. 6 donuts. There's the food. And also, let's add a little croissant, I think it is. A pizza. Why am I forgetting to add drinks? Peach drink. What's this? Sports drink. You can see this. A sports drink. Okay, let's put that right there. A gallon of milk. Okay, let's add 2 more stuff. Fruit juice. I have 2 more, but I need 5. Another, let's leave this. Add another sports drink. And also, let's see with all the drinks. So, chocolate pancake for dessert. Milk. And let's put the rest of the stuff into the fridge. So the fridge is cold, so we can add an ice cream tub in there. The ice cream tub, cute. To add in there. I can add a birthday cake. Oh, the birthday cake cannot fit in there, so let's leave that. And I want to show you a little cute thing. Just 1 second to grab this stuff. Let's open this. Let's put it right in there. Okay. Funny, I got another sport drink back. Looks like add 1 or 2 drinks. Like these 2 drinks. Looks like add 1 inside. Wait, what's the drink I'm missing? It's like a cherry. There's like a drink I'm missing. Ah, oh no, my drink. Okay. Beep. Oh no. That's okay. That's okay. Not a big deal. Okay. So let's put the drink in there. Just drink. Then go. Okay. Let's put that in there. Let's put this. Oh, this right here. And so, guys, here. So let's open this. Let's add a little nice. Oh, there we go. Let's add. I know what this is, but let's add it at the bottom. The cake will go right up here. No, here. Okay. Ah, the cake will be like this. But yeah, the cake. Oh my God, the cake's so big. Can't even fit in the fridge. Not my fault. Hashtag not my fault. Okay, just leave that, okay? Leave that. Let's add eggs. Yummy eggs for later. Let's add this. Let's remove the pancakes and put it there. Oh my gosh, can't see. Put that at the top. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, guys, that was fun. Oh, what's the problem? Yeah, there's something stuck. Okay, there's no pancakes. Seriously, is this also? No, something else is the problem. What is even the problem? Is this? Okay, the eggs. Something. Oh my God, what's the problem? Okay. Let's add the pancakes there. Ouch, my back. Okay. Okay. Hello, I'm right here. Behind you. No, the eggs don't fit, so let's grab the eggs. Oh man. Let's put it right up. And the eggs at the bottom. Much space. Oh my god. Okay. Nope. Oh my god, where should I put this? I like to put this back. Instead, I'll put this weird thing. But that don't. Oh, ouch. My back hurts. Again, hashtagging for you guys. Hashtag for you. From that spinach thing to it. Actually, who wants to get healthy? So let's put that spinach instead. And put this instead. Oh, ouch, man. That's a lot of drinks, so that's for me. Nope, because we already. Oh no, I'm gonna get 2 drinks? Well. I like need to pause the video. 1 sec. Whoa. I don't know how to pause this thing. So let's just leave it. And let me see how this works. Another. Okay, that's what happens. Stuck at the bottom. You know one of those little dispensers when they like put some fake coins and get the drinks? It looks like one of those. I think so. Okay, go down. And let's put the milk. No one noticed. And when someone wants a drink, oh, there's my peach. Fruit juice. Okay, I don't know. They didn't tell the name. And whenever Barbie, I haven't named her yet. Whenever she wants a drink, she will crouch, break her spine, and just pull it down. And if she needs another drink urgently, she'll just get one. Already fall down. Guilty. Fall down and stay down. Again, let's put it, and I'm not using it, okay? Let's now make them sit. Keep power. Let's put her hand down, that's like. Oh no, I took out the cake as well. Well, that's okay. Let's leave the cake like that. Let's add the cake to the table. Like it's probably the little one's birthday. I was about to add her on the table, but she's not edible. Let's put her on the top of this bag. Top of the fridge. Okay, and this is gonna be on of the fridge. Yeah, it's baby music, but when you open, ooh, oh. Okay, guys, that was a little accident, but yeah, here it glows. Let's see if every part glows. Open everything. Okay, they do glow. Nice, right guys? Let's close them back up. Okay. That is cool, lighting fridge. Put the bag on top. Bag fold. Yeah. Man, I hate the bag. Let's put it aside. It's okay. Okay, cut this part out. Cut this part.
Delicious.
No. Whatever, let's leave it. sometimes it's like mistakes in videos. I cut it out, but nah, I'm not one of those people. Says happy birthday! Today's my birthday! Num num! I'll just eat it in one bite. There's something. Of course, the fruit juice. Let's put the peach juice so you know the title, what it is. And here's fruit juice. Yummy yummy pizza with all the toppings, except pineapple. Sports drink. Pasta. Let's got the pasta. Oh, I forgot this. Okay. Some more video. Oh my god, not again. Not again. No Barbie. Cable your legs and hands and feet and everything. Okay, let's do that. Oh man, oh my gosh. Finally, let's just put the big like no. Lily bag, what do you want? It's not on the fridge or something. Okay, my yelling worked. Didn't think no count. No. There we go. Finally, for the last step. Actually, it's not the last step. I need to show you them eating. Okay. Then I'll put back all of the stuff in the fridge, and then yeah, the video ends. It's gonna end. Let's what does she putting? Oh, hello. Hello. I would like to eat the pizza. Cut. Or eat the entire thing. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. It's gone. Okay. My dad's making weird faces. I don't know what that means, but okay. Nom 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 nom. The pizza's finished. Hey, I also need to eat. I like spinach. I want to grow strong. That's why I can lift even a plate of spinach and hold it. No. Okay, their spinach is finished also. It's a crazy video. I think so. She's gonna drink to make the spinach go down her throat. Her head's not drinking it, sorry. The drink is finished. I'm just making a different sports drink with different fruits. Okay. Whew. I'm gonna go get another drink. Okay. Yeah, that was laying on the ground. Let's save a bit rest for the other food. God, no more drinks left. Ouch. I'll take a little nap on the floor. I'm gonna eat everything. Pasta. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, bye guys. I'll fix this up. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, please write in the comment section down below how did you think of this video. So bye. Also make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to be happy and bye.